Search for business card. For beginners, there are varieties of business card templates on Canva where you can lay your hands on by customizing them and fix some certain things on it in order to turn it to your brand. But in this case, we are going to make use of the blank one. Therefore, click on create a blank business card. The next thing, you click on elements at the left hand side there. Under the shapes, click on see all. Then select this shape, rotate it this way, drag it, click on the color palette at the upper side there to change the color, fix it for this gradient, scroll up, click on the color palette here where we're having plus sign in it. Arrange it this way. Come to the color palette here. Click on this, then duplicate it. Fix it somewhere here. Change the color. Fix this. Go to the color palette. The next thing, choose the one you prefer. Come to position here. Click on layers. Then fix this here. The next thing you are going to do, come to elements, then select circle, fix the circle here, increase it, then change the color, fix the color for this. The next thing, on the element, search for, then click on graphics. Before selecting the circle shadow effect, try to increase the shape. The next thing, you can now select the shadow effect you prefer. This is the free version. Click on it, then increase the size as well. Fix it here, then rotate it. The next thing, click on position at the upper side there. Click on the blue circle, duplicate it, decrease the size, fix it here, then come to the color at the upper side there, change it to white, then still on the position, click on the shadow effect, duplicate it, then decrease it a little bit, fix it here, decrease the size a little bit, then fix it here, rotate it, insert your logo. Therefore, go to Elements. From there, search for logo A. I mean the logo that begins with letter A. The next thing, you click on Graphics. Then you are good to go to select any of your desired logo. Click on this, then fix it here. The next thing, click on the color at the upper side here in order to change the color of the logo. Change everything to black. Then decrease the size, fix it here. The next thing, click on T in order to insert your text. Fix it here. The next thing, you change the font type of the write-up. Click on the canvas sans at the upper side there. Then you can now select Ashifo Black, decrease the size. Letter M, select it and change the color to this. Click on the color palette. Fix it for this very particular color. It's okay this way. Still on the text, click on add the heading. Then insert your name. And change the color to white. Reduce the size. Fix it here. Go to the elements. From there, go to the shapes and click on the line we're having there. Insert it under the text. Reduce the size. Fix it here. Then reduce the size. The thickness of the line. The line width, reduce it to 2. It's okay this way. Highlight the second name and unbold it. Duplicate it. Then reduce the size. Fix it here. Then click on the line color. Then fix this color for the other line. The next thing, go to element, search for call, click on graphics, select this, then reduce the size, fix it somewhere here. The next thing, search for map, pick this, reduce the size and fix it here. The next thing, type mail to search for it. Fix this. The last thing, search for a website. Select this. Reduce the size. They change the color of all the icons to white. Click on this, change it to white. The next thing, reduce this, fix it here. The same thing with this. Try to reduce the size of all the icons. Click on the name at the upper side here. Click on duplicate. Bring it here. Try to delete this. Then you cannot change it to fix it here. Duplicate. Fix it here. Then change this to fix it here, change it to, click on this, the Gmail, fix it here, change it to iceme.com, fix it somewhere here. Okay, by shifting them inwardly, shift everything. Then for the name, change this to small letter. Then duplicate the name, fix it here. Then change it to Managing Director. Then change the font type. Click on this search bar. Then click on handwriting, Canva student font. Decrease the size, the font size. Fix it here. It's okay this way. Then for the back page, click on the first page, duplicate it, then delete all the write-up we have in there, delete everything. The first thing you are going to do, this very particular color, bring them to the back. Then highlight the logo, group it. Then for the first color, fix it here. Then bring it to the back. Go to position, click on layers. Then this very particular one, the blue one, click on it, then fix it up. Then bring it here, click on it again, then duplicate, fix it here, then change the color to white. Then iceme, fix it up, click on it, then change the color, bring it here, rotate it this way, fix it somewhere here. For the logo, fix the logo here, click on position, then the logo, fix it up, then ungroup it, delete all other elements except the logo, then leave it this way. The next thing you are going to do, drag it by increasing it, then do it this way, increase this as well, click on recently used, click on this shadow effect, increase it, then fix it here, go to position, fix it here, click on the shadow icon again, duplicate it, then fix it somewhere here, increase it, then bring it down here, This is how to design a stunning modern logo using Canva. If you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the videos. Thanks for watching.